first you're gonna put 500 grams of fine semolina. And then you're gonna be adding 150 grams of melted ghee. And next you will put half a cup of vegetable oil. So we have mixed the ingredients, and now we are gonna be putting plastic wrap over it. Just remember that you have parental supervision, and we're gonna keep it overnight. Hi, and we're back again. After we did this, we let it this mixture. We let it set overnight, and now we're gonna be adding the ingredients. And since I'm gonna be adding the ingredients, I'm gonna be putting this mixture into a bigger bowl, so it can be easier to mix. Now, as you can see, the mixture is ready to have the ingredients added to it. And we're gonna first add the dry ingredients. First is flour, 1.5 cups. Then the powdered sugar. The milk, powdered milk, then the powdered sugar. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Oh, and don't forget to a pinch of salt. And mix. Mixed in the dry ingredients, we should put the wet ingredients. So first, just make a small hole in the middle. And we'll start adding the wet ingredients. First, the milk. Next, the vanilla extract. And then we're gonna add the yeast, the rose water, and mix. So we've been mixing it. As you can see, the ingredients have been mixed. And now we're gonna have it to set for 1 hour. And we're gonna cover it with the wrap. Since we're letting the dough sit, we're gonna be doing a pistachio filling. You can do dates or walnuts, but I like to do pistachio. So first you're gonna put 250 grams of pistachio, add 6 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of water, and mix it. Okay, so now we've been mixing in the ingredients to the pistachio, and now we're going to make them into small balls. So now we're just going to make the mixture of the amul into a shape of a ball. And I'll put them on a scale just so I can make sure that they're all equal. So I'll be showing you how to shape it, and you can use these molds. I'll be choosing this one for the pistachio. And you can use this for another filling, which is the walnuts. and you put it into the mold. And you push it out. Okay, so I have shaped them into the shape and I'll be putting them in the oven. Make sure that you have parental supervision. You can also do another shape with the walnuts. Using this tool, and so I'm gonna be taking them out of the oven. Just keep remembering that you have to have parental supervision. And now you're gonna let them cool down. So it has cooled down and I'll be adding the icing sugar. Or in a different way, you can put the spoon and do it like this. Okay, so now I'm finished with the mamoon and I have served it into plates. I made some plain ones and the pistachio ones and walnut ones. Hope you enjoy and I hope you make my recipe.